What is non-renewable energy? Non-renewable energy refers to the energy sources that are finite and cannot be replenished within the human's time scales. Once the resources are used up, they are gone. It also energy like one-time use. Example of non-renewable energy: oil, coal, nuclear energy, and lastly, natural gas. The use of non-renewable energy sources has significant environmental consequences, including greenhouse gas emission contributing to climate change and pollution. What is energy utilization? Energy utilization is a significant factor across various sectors. Electricity generation. Fossil fuels are burned in power plants to generate electricity. Industrial use fossil fuel production and processing. What is resources depletion? Depletion is a consumption of resources faster than can be replenished. This can apply both renewable and non-renewable resources, although the implications of differ. Non-renewable resources like fossil fuel or mineral. For renewable resources like forests or fisheries.